As you can see, the Grande is in rough shape. We've got major rust on the doors and the engine bolts here are completely seized.
Look at this dashboard. The scratches are deep and the neglect here is extensive. This is going to take weeks.
Look at the state of this headliner. It's completely saturated. This is going to take weeks of work.
The oil has baked onto the block, and as you can see, the rust here is more than just surface deep. This will require a full replacement. This Corolla Grande arrived in truly shocking condition. The rust on the wheel arches alone will require extensive work.
The Grande arrived in rough shape. The level of neglect here is extensive, especially the corrosion on the arches.
The level of neglect here is staggering. Mud covers serious structural rust, and the interior is complete.
The rust on the wheel arches is severe. I'm seeing significant structural corrosion underneath this mud.
As you can see, the rust has completely eaten through the arches, and the engine bay is just packed with grease. This is going to take months.
Look at this. The rust goes deep here. We're looking at extensive panel replacement before we even think about paint correction. We started with 1000 grit to remove the heavy oxidation, and now look at that, perfectly clear.
The peeling paint and deep scratches are one thing, but the corrosion on the doors is severe.
This rust goes right through the subframe. It's gonna take weeks just to clean this grease out.